My name is David Rebanal, and I'm an associate professor of public health and also one of the co-authors of the article Transforming Tenure, a Grassroots Initiative. Our institutions heavily rely on the service of faculty to maintain the Academy's endeavors, from admissions committees to curricular revisions to graduation planning. Service is also the area within the RTP process with the most glaring disparities, especially for women and faculty of color, who often undertake the least valued kinds of service work and can get tasked with hidden service, that is, additional service that is usually not CV worthy. This might include informally mentoring the majority of the students of color in the department, providing emotional support for junior faculty, cleaning up or setting up after department events, or being the token representative on additional committees. This unequal burden can impede career advancement and is often exacerbated by the lack of clarity and consistency by which service is evaluated in the RTP process. In our paper, we offer a set of guiding questions to consider in transforming RTP processes around the role of service. For example, how are the expectations of service articulated? And how are the commitments of faculty accepted and incorporated into faculty's workload and trajectory? Requests for service often come from those in power over tenure decisions and can make it more difficult for faculty from historically excluded communities to say no to service. How can RTP criteria provide more clarity and realistic expectations of a service, recognizing and rewarding various kinds of service work? Another question to consider is there recognition of the added labor and cost involved in campus and professional organizations where the faculty member is expected to represent historically excluded communities on top of other duties? How can RTP processes consider institutional level practices that fail to acknowledge the cultural taxation on faculty who belong to historically excluded backgrounds? We hope these prompts provide meaningful considerations to your RTP criteria revisions.